Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Steam games from your library. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main Steam dashboard where you can access all your games and features. Now, direct your attention to the top menu bar of the Steam interface. You'll see several options there and you want to click on Library. This is where all your installed and available games are stored, making it easy to manage everything you own on Steam. Once you're in your library, look at the left panel of the screen. This panel displays a list of all your games. Scroll through until you find the game you want to uninstall. When you've located it, right-click on the game title. This action will bring up a context menu with several management options for that specific game. In the menu that appears, hover your mouse over the Manage option. This will reveal a submenu with additional choices for handling your game files and settings. From this submenu, click on Uninstall. This option allows you to remove the game from your hard drive while keeping it in your Steam library, so you can always reinstall it later if you change your mind. After clicking Uninstall, a confirmation window will pop up asking if you're sure you want to remove the game. Go ahead and confirm your choice. Steam will then begin removing the game files from your computer. Depending on the size of the game, this process might take a few moments, so just be patient while Steam clears out all the data. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled the game from your Steam library, freeing up valuable storage space on your computer while still keeping the game available in your account for future downloads. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.